Hey guys, I just want to do a super quick video on multiplying fractions. This is easy, but I want to make sure you see my expectations and how I want it written. So multiplying fractions, okay? Multiplying fractions are really easy. You literally stay as though it is a car. Pretend you're in a lane and here's your lane, and you have to stay in your own lane going the same direction, okay? Cannot deviate from your lane. You multiply the top numbers together and then you multiply the top numbers together. So it would look like this: 1 times 2, and then at the bottom 2 times 3. Okay? Then just do your multiplication. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. But you'll notice 2/6, both of these are even numbers. And anytime I have even numbers, I can always divide by 2 and reduce my fraction. If I have a fraction, I should always reduce it. Do not leave it in the largest form. That is not appropriate, and you will lose points for that. Okay, so make sure you reduce it. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So my final answer would be 1/3. Please be sure that you are doing all of these steps. You should have 3 steps. 1, list out what you're multiplying. 2, multiply them. If this number is the lowest form already, then you can stop. If not, you should have step 4 showing how you reduced it. And then step 5, your final product with the box or circle around it. I don't care which. Just make sure I know what your final product is. Okay, let's do one more together. Okay, again, 9/10 times 1/3. I'm staying in my lane, multiplying straight across. 9 times 1, 10 times 3. Okay, 9 times 1 is 9. 10 times 3 is 30. I know 9 and 30 are both going to be divisible by 3. They are not even numbers. Even though this one is even, this one is an odd number. And if they are not the same, I cannot divide by 2. So keep that in mind. In order to divide by 2, they must both be even numbers. If they're not, you have to find something else to divide them from, which in this case, like I said, is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 30 divided by 3 is 10. I can look through. Is there anything I can use to make that smaller? Can't divide by 3, can't divide by 2, so it looks like I am done. Okay? One more, and then I'm going to trick you up some. Okay, so same thing as before. Stay in my lane. 1 times 2 and 4 times 6. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 6 is 24. I am not finished because I can reduce them. Okay, so I know 2/24. Again, they are even. So even numbers means I can divide by 2. What I do to one side, I must do to the other. So I get 2 divided by 2 is 1. 24 divided by 2 is 12. With that 1 on the top, that guarantees me I can't do anything else to it. So that is my final answer. Okay? Several people asked, if on the division part, can I write it out if I want to, like this one at the bottom? Absolutely. Just make sure that you do not get confused and multiply this again and make it bigger, okay? So if you want to write it out like that, or if you just wanted to, the divide by 2, each one of those is perfectly fine, okay? So either one is great. Okay, no worries at all. Okay, that is it. You guys take care. Make sure that when you are doing this, that again, you are showing all your steps. You are multiplying. You are reducing as well.